Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, first, I will show how to use sound recognition on iPhone. After that, I will show how to add custom sound on iPhone. So let's see the first part of this video, how to use sound recognition on iPhone. With sound recognition, your iPhone or iPad can listen out for certain sounds and sends you a notification when it recognizes them. I need to turn this feature on. So, follow the steps and watch the video till the end. First, go to the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Accessibility. Then, scroll down on the screen and tap on Sound Recognition. Now, turn on the toggle beside the sound recognition. It will download a small file. Wait till the download completion. After that, the sound option will appear. Tap on it. Now tap a sound you like your device to listen for. Here, I want to hear a doorbell, so I select the doorbell and turn on the toggle beside doorbell. Then, a new pop-up will appear and ask you to allow sound recognition to send you a notification. Tap on Allow to enable. That's it. You can repeat this for any other sounds you'd like to listen to on your iPhone. You will receive a notification when your iPhone recognizes one of the sounds you selected. That's how to use sound recognition. Let's see the second part of this video, how to add custom sound on iPhone. You may have a question about what the custom sound is. Custom sounds can train and detect electronic sounds, for example, microwaves, washing machines, alarm clocks, doorbells, etc. Let's see the steps. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down the screen and tap on Accessibility. Now, again scroll down the Accessibility page and tap Sound Recognition. First, make sure that the sound recognition toggle is turned on. Then, tap on Sounds. Here, you'll find a list that your device can recognize. Scroll down the screen and choose Custom Appliance or Doorbell. After that, your iPhone can learn to detect appliances like alarms, doorbells, and other electronic sounds. To learn your custom sound, get started with the setup and tap the Continue button. Now, add a name for your custom sound. Finally, place your iPhone close to the sound you are targeting for the best result and tap the Continue button. Start listening when your appliance is about to make a sound you like your iPhone to learn. If noise is detected, but you didn't activate your appliance yet, tap Ignore and Keep Listening option, so your iPhone can learn the correct sound. Now, play the sound and tap on Start Listening. You can see my iPhone is detecting a sound. After successful sound detection, a blue check mark will appear on your iPhone. Tap Save the sound to confirm. If your appliance takes time to make the same sound again, you can tap Finish later to save the progress and customize your custom sound when you are ready. If not, then skip this step. Here, you have to repeat the process for 4 more times. Your iPhone must listen to the custom sound 4 more times to learn it. Repeat the same process 4 times and tap Done when your phone finishes the sound detection. You get notifications that your custom sound is ready to use when sound recognition learns it. When your iPhone gets custom sound again, you will receive a notification. That's it. Note: don't rely on your iPhone to recognize sounds in high-risk circumstances or emergencies where you may get harmed or injured. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks videos.